Hey guys, so today I'm gonna film a makeup tutorial. It's been like a year since I filmed one for this channel. If you want, I also have another channel with my friends that I actually do post on. I'm gonna link it in the description and I'll also put it up here. ATSTV, go subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of videos coming there. Oh, brows, I forgot brows. That's really what I do first is brows. You always look like a new person when you have on brows. So now I'm gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna take my Morphe primer. Just put that on my eyes. I really want that P. Louise thing, but I honestly don't feel like buying it. Nor do I have money because I'm a broke college student, but whatever. My friend does my fake lashes, and I really wish I could like teleport her here because she lives in a whole different city. But I just wish I could teleport her because I need some lashes right now, and I hate putting on falsies because I really suck at it, honestly. And I always have to cut them because my eyes are so small. But now I'm gonna take my Airspun powder and set the primer because 1, I have hooded lids, 2, they crease very easily. So this needs to be set before my eyeshadow is all creasy and stuff. So I'm gonna be using the Bling palette. Looks like this. Pretty sure all y'all have seen it. If anybody's even watching this, but I know you've seen it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this color and put it like where my transition shade would be, like right in there. Just gonna dip into that. I'm just gonna do windshield wiper motions. Hopefully this look comes out right, because every time I try to recreate a look I did, it never turns out right. Like, it always looks like boo-boo. But yeah, a lot of people were saying that they wish the James palette like came in a mirror or whatever. But like, honestly, this palette is freaking huge. Like, who would want that big old mirror in that palette? Like, come on now. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with Rockstar from JACLYN's palette. I'm gonna take this brush, the Morphe M330. But yeah, I'm gonna dip into Rockstar and I'm gonna take it like right under that purple shade I used in James palette. Sometimes it's hard for me to do stuff like this because my eyes are hooded. Yeah, it's a struggle, but yeah, you can just build this up to however you want it. But you're probably gonna have to go back and forth with blending it, adding it, blending it, adding it. Because you don't want any harsh lines. Okay, now the eyes look like this. I'm gonna go in with Mystic to deepen up my crease area. I'm just gonna use the same brush, honestly. And I'm just blending in with Rockstar. I'm really deepening the outer V because I will be cutting a crease. So I really want that to be deep. And then I'm gonna go in with that brush that I'm using, just blend it out. And I got this brush from the beauty supply store. And honestly, it works really well. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark purple shade, the darkest purple shade from James palette. And I'm gonna take it and put it right here. Okay, that's what we're looking like. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. But yeah. So I'm just take it and I'm gonna put put it along the line down here. And I'm gonna look up so it transfers. And then just touch it up and finish it off. So I'm not gonna go all the way out to the outer V because I still want it to be dark right there. So I'm just going to cut the other eye. Okay, game plan. So I think I'm gonna do bling bling like right here, and then I might go from this color to this one, but like I also feel like I should use this. I don't know, we'll see. I'm also very ashy. Wow, that's disrespectful. Okay, now I'm dipping in the Glitz and Glam. Just making like a smooth transition between those two colors. I'm gonna use my finger, I'm so tired of that. So this is what the eye's looking like. These are what my eyes are looking like. That's what they're looking like. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of eyeliner. Now moving on to the face. I'm gonna use this Professional primer. and put this all right here because my pores are literally the size of Earth. I think I'm gonna use the new Super Stay that I got. Okay. That looks so bad so far. I love how I said you don't need a lot and I literally put so much on here. I think I like this shade better than warm coconut. I'm gonna use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Walnut. I don't think I have the right color in this either. It's very, very yellow. But oh well. I might like put the Maybelline like right here just in case it is too light. Oh. And then I'll take my foundation brush. Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. I'm just gonna dust on my face because I don't bake. I'm just gonna dust that. I don't know if I want to put on these Ardell lashes or these lashes. I think I'll put on these. Okay. Okay. So the highlight I use is from the Carly Bible palette. I mainly use these two because these are the ones that look better. Well, that really look good on my skin tone. Or that are for my skin tone. So I'm going to this. I use this gold one. So this is the finished look. Highlight. You guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the look. I'm gonna try to start posting more videos. Hopefully I can find some time to do that because I'm very busy with school and everything. I'm also gonna leave the link to my other channel with my friends down below. So make sure you guys check out that channel and subscribe because we have some videos up there and we're gonna post some more videos very soon. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys decide to come back for more videos that I'm gonna post, and also follow my main Instagram and my beauty Instagram. I'm gonna also put those in the description too. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.